making a clone machine. So I made this right? So let's for it to fill with below for a platform for it to stand. Yeah, we made a platform. Yeah, don't say that I made too much platform. Now it's going for code. Let's delete this block. Yeah, this is the code. Magic code, right? So we have to say clone machine and create a clone of ourselves. Let's wait for copying. So I'll set a timer for that. See, my search not working. Oh, slow that. Oh, I'll keep you a time for. I'll give you a 1 minute timer. I'll then do it. I'll give you this much time. Yeah, you can now complete copy the code or you can screenshot and do it. And then now as I start the code. So for of that you just say I just go quick. Well I'm going to do it. Oh no! I had double clicked. I'm gonna separate everything. Separate so you can know that what are the steps. So first you have to go events click there and then looks type and then just keep quiet. I'm making a video but better was asking that. Then go here and say create a clone of myself. Wait, just wait and I am making a video. My brother is like saying I make a classroom in Duolingo. Then started a crow. So go to this one here, what means here it will drop the clone. Yep. So we will then forever then make this one all of one motion. My forever is phone control. And then take this and put it. And I'm going to show you how to put more. Yeah, okay. Let's make this one was. When C key is pressed, create a clone of myself. Cool, right? Yeah, let's test it out. Clone machine. C, 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 C. Oh yeah. Let me check how much my laptop couldn't handle when I did it on my laptop. Oh, I created. Let me check how much clones. Have you know how much clones is? Volume. Current year. I created. Here's the name. Yeah. Current year 2021. That's up them. I'm making a video. Yep. I am making a video. I'm sorry to say my brother. I need all this interest. So this is everything. This is all the steps you need to know of the clone machine. So we are going to add bonus. I guess it doesn't need any bonus features. So well as it is tutorial of making the clone machine. See you again.